Hi families, Madame Chidobiak here to give you a quick rundown on some important things to keep in mind and some tips and tricks for online school this year. So we're going to start off with Teams. When we're looking at Teams, I know I've kind of mentioned this already, but we'll go over it again just in case we miss some things. When we click on our Teams tab, this is all the teams that we are a part of. So for me, I've got my Nicholas Sharon tabs, and I've also got the same teams that our kiddos are in. So we've got the grade 2, 3 online that everybody's a part of. We've got our online 2s, our online 3s, and we've got our brand new Récréation team where all of the kiddos can go in and chat and send stickers and GIFs and all that fun stuff that we are trying to keep away from our normal classroom space, okay? So when we click on our grade 2, 3 online, this is where our meetings are going to be. So if you come in here and you see that there is a meeting that has started, you can click join, and that is where we will have our Monday or Tuesday, if there's no school on a Monday, our all class meetings. Okay. When we go into our grade 2 and our grade 3 teams, that's where we'll see our assignments. Typically, I'm going to try and have them under the tab, under the group where the assignment is going to be due. This one being in the general was a mistake on my part. It should be under Francais. But you can click on that. You can view the assignment when we're in there. So we have this is my student view, so this has the instructions for the assignment. There's any resources that you might need. There's always going to be a video to watch where either myself or Mademoiselle Hirji will explain the assignment. It'll go to a YouTube video, and that's going to be nice because you can pause the video, you can rewind, you can get caught up, and you can work through it at your own pace. So that's where that's going to be. And then when you're looking at your student view, there will be a button up at this top corner here that says turn in. And when you click on that button, that's where you can attach pictures. That's where, if I'm asking you to send in a video, that's where you can attach that video, and then it will come to me and I can take a look at them and assess them and grade them. All right. Just some other etiquette. I know that we talked in our classroom meeting this morning about a little bit of etiquette for when we're in our chats. We don't want to do what we call spamming, which is sending just a whole bunch of stickers or GIFs or just a whole bunch of random messages, because that's kind of like shouting across a full classroom of kiddos. And if it's not something that we would do when we were in a real classroom setting, then we don't want to do it on Teams either, because it can be annoying. And it can also be really difficult to try and find things that are in the group that you're trying to look through. So that's why we're going to keep our classroom chat into this Récréation tab, and you can do whatever you like in there. Just again, remember that there are other people on the side of the computer, and you just want to be kind and send nice messages, okay? If I see people being mean in there, we're going to have some conversations. I'll be calling in and we'll be talking about how to be a little bit nicer with our classmates. But we don't need to worry about that because you're all wonderful humans, and I know that you're going to be very kind to each other. Just another thing to be aware of online, when you're trying to make a phone call or when you're trying to have a chat with somebody, there are a bunch of different settings. If you click on your picture up here, there are different status buttons that you can have. So if you're trying to chat with me, if I'm available, this little green check mark will be there to show that I'm free to chat. Right now, because I'm recording a video, I've set my screen to busy. So if you see this little red dot, just wait until I'm green again. That might mean I'm in a call or that I'm recording a video. As soon as I go back to this little green check mark, you can chat with me or we can video call or whatever you need, okay? If I'm set to be right back, that's exactly what that means. Maybe I've stepped out of the room to do supervision or to fill up my water bottle or run to the office, and I'll be right back. Just wait again until that green button is available, okay? Okay, let us take a look at Weebly. This is our classroom website, and this is where our families are going to be going about once a week to see what's going on with our schooling. So right now at the top we've got grade 2, we've got grade 3, we've got links, and we've got videos. This is where I'm going to post this video, is under videos for families. But if you're in grade 2, click here. Right now the only thing that's on here is our weekly schedule, but I'll be posting more things as we go. Under grade 3, If you click on the grade 3 tab, we've also got our grade 3 schedule. Under here, we also have dictée and spelling. This is all of our lists for the year so that you can be practicing those at home. We're not going to be starting those for a little bit though. Everybody can use the links that are on here. So we've got an online version of Teams. We've got Monsieur Sheedy is our music teacher here at Nicholas Sharon School. He's got some fun music things. I'm going to set up, we might not be using Mathletics, I might be getting rid of this. Typing Club, one of my big jobs for this weekend is to set you all up with accounts on Typing Club so you can practice your keyboarding and your typing skills. If you want to work on some art, if you've got some time once you're done your classroom work, you can play around on Art for Kids Hub. We've got school newsletters for Agnes Davidson and for Nicholas Sharon on here, as well as our division news. If I can find some other links that are going to be important, I will post them to here and I will let you know about that. And then on here, we've got our videos for families. So already we've got our digital citizenship video is up there, and I'll post my parent guide up there as well. I just wanted to mention really quickly before I let you go how we're going to be doing attendance every day. I'll take a look. If we look at our schedule on, if we look at our schedule on Weebly, every morning I've got time between 8:30 and 8:45 for you to log in and do attendance. So between 8:30 and 8:45, I'm going to pop onto Teams under the grade 2-3 online button, and I will just post a thing here saying, give me a thumbs up if you're here, or give me a smiley face if you're here. And then you're going to click on this little reply button with the arrow, and you're going to put in the sticker so that I know that you're here for attendance. And then I will be posting attendance to our homeschools every morning. Okay. There we go. I hope that answers a whole bunch of questions. I know that that's a ton of information, but this video is always there for you to reference if you need it. I hope to talk to you all very soon. Have an awesome day, everybody. Bye-bye.